everyone, this is Zama. Today I'm going to do a Ross haul, and you guys, if my family is watching this video, my friends watching this video, and a lot of my viewers, you guys know how much I love to shop at Ross because it's very affordable prices and you can find some pretty amazing things. So, and I did do one, I think a couple of months ago, and you guys seem to really like it, so I'm going to do another one. And these are the things that I've kind of bought throughout a couple of months. So first I'm going to start with this black Calvin Klein, kind of like a sports bra. And this is originally for $24 and I paid 10 bucks for it. And these are very comfortable bras. And I actually am wearing one right now. It's the same one but in gray. So I bought another one because I'm like, you know what, just in case I want like a black one for like a black top, I can have this one. And I also bought this Calvin Klein bra, which is white and has the Calvin Klein logo all over. Just like that. And the back is like this. And this one's also very comfortable. It's like a t-shirt bra. And it's not like a push-up or anything. And this one was also $10. And I also really love these leggings. I've never heard of this brand. This brand is called Lysse, Lysse. And they're just like a normal legging. They're kind of high-waisted and it has like a control top which kind of cinches your waist. And has kind of like a leather on the side of the legs. So this is kind of what they look like. And it has that leather on the bottom, and it has a zipper on the bottom as well. And this looks super cute with some boots and like a nice top, like a kind of like long top, and you look put together and you're also comfortable. And these were also $10, and the quality of the fabric looks very good. And these are in extra small. And I also bought a couple, actually 3 Nike items. These, I have 3 tops. This one right here is a racerback flowy top, just like that. And it has the Nike logo right here. It's very flowy, it's very breathable. Just like the top, the back is exposed. And this one was $12.99. The other one that I bought as well, $12.99, is this Nike extra small racerback top, and it has that little pocket right here. And it doesn't have, that's the only logo it has right here, and also racerback. And this is polyester and cotton, so it's also very breathable. Love this one. And I just love Nike. That's the one brand I always tend to buy for my workout clothes. And this one as well. This one has these kind of dainty straps, and this is how it looks on the back. Very flowy. And this one the logo is on the bottom, but you can't really see it. But I love how it's kind of nice and flowy. Oops, I forgot I had this one too. I bought this. This one was $10. This is a Nike long sleeve cotton shirt, just like that. And I love wearing white, gray, and black. And I've also been into New Balance for some reason. And Ross doesn't really carry New Balance, or it hasn't carried it for the time that I've shopped at Ross. So when I saw these, I was like, this is totally colors that I can use when I work out that I like. So these are some New Balance like leggings, and these are in small. And what I like about these is that it has these little pockets, and they're not all the way to the bottom, so they're kind of like short leggings. So that's the back, and they're very comfortable in stretching. Another New Balance thing I got, and this is kind of like a sweater you can wear like every day. This is kind of like an ivory color. And this is also in small, and this is 100% cotton. Just by feeling it, this is 100% cotton. So this I can wear with some jeans and some nice sneakers, and it does have the New Balance logo on the bottom. and it's very, very comfortable. Just looks like back in the back. And I've never really had anything from the Skechers brand, but I thought this one was super cute. This is kind of like a hooded shirt with no sleeves. And this is Skechers Sport. And this is also 100% cotton. This is a size small. And I'm pretty sure this one was $8. So it's very nice. And this is obviously something I can pair with some like black leggings. And for a sweater, I have been needing like a kind of like beige sweater because the one that I have is already kind of ugly. And it's a sweater that I have because I don't have another beige sweater. So this is another one that I bought. This one was $17.99 and the brand is called Purple Snow in the size small. So it's just like a regular sweater, but what I really like about it is the detail on the back, and it has those grommets with kind of like, it's like laced up. So that's how the back looks, and it's not too warm. So this isn't a sweater I would wear if it's like super cold out. This is kind of just like a sweater to kind of keep you a little bit warm, and it's not too cold outside. And another thing I got, which I'm also pretty excited to wear, are these velvet joggers in this super nice pink. So they have a pocket, they have some elastic waistband, and they're like that from the bottom. And for $10, they're pretty amazing because this isn't something I'm going to be wearing like it's a trendy piece, so it's not like something I can see myself wearing in the long term, but they are very pretty. And they're very soft. And the other thing that I got are these high-waisted Levi's jeans, and the model of these are Mile High Super Skinny in size 26. These were $20, and to be honest, I was so glad that I saw these because you know why? I had bought before like 4 months ago from Macy's these, and they're the same ones, but I paid like $45 for these. But these make, I don't know, I just really like how it makes my body look because they're high-waisted. So these are the first ones that I bought. These were at Macy's, $45, and they're just some high-waisted skinny pants. And these are the ones that I bought at Ross for $20, and they're like a different color. They're like a darker cotton. And I also bought, like right after I bought the first Levi's ones, I bought the Fashion Nova jeans, high-waisted jeans, and these are in size 3, and these are pretty amazing because they make your body look so good. And they are true to size. I'm usually around a 3, so I did buy a 3 and they fit perfect. They're not too tight and they're not loose at all. So this is how they look in the back, and to be honest, these 3 are my top jeans right now that I love. That I just feel like it makes my body look like an hourglass shape. And for boots, I did need a pair of black boots, so I was super glad I saw these because they're very basic boots. They're just black. They kind of have like a suede on the sides, and they have these buckles. These are they're Franco Sarto, and they're 7.5. They're just like that, and they're super comfortable. So these are just like staple items you can have in your closet that you will definitely use in the fall. And these right here that I also bought, these are Vince Camuto in the size 7.5, and these were $45. The other ones were also $45, and these are also they're super cute, but to be honest, they're not very comfortable. It seems like they don't have like a little cushion on the bottom sole of the foot. So I kind of have to be like I have to be aware of that. Like I have to know where I'm going to go. If I'm not going to be walking a lot, I'll be fine with these. But they're super cute. Look at that. And they have these little tassels. And I also bought these like simple, they kind of look like Vans. They're from a brand called Indigo RD, and they're kind of like a nude snake finish, and they're just like this, and these have gone like perfect with a bunch of my casual outfits, and these were 20 bucks. So these are super cute if you kind of like comfy shoes. These are very cute. And I've also been needing an extra pair of like sneakers for like when I go to work out, and these are New Balance. You guys know now that I kind of like New Balance for some reason now. And they're black, they're gray, and they're white. So these totally go with all my outfits. And these are so cushiony. I think they have like memory foam from the bottom. These are called Response 1.0 Performance. So they're, I don't know, it says here New Balance Speed Ride Flash RN. And like I said, they're so comfortable. Like from right here, it just kind of like makes your foot like super cushiony. They kind of feel like slippers, but like slippers you're working out with. So they're super cool, and these were $35. So that's not bad for a sneaker. And that is it for shoes. The one decorating item that I bought for my bedroom is this colorful kind of like hanging piece. It's like this, and you just kind of hang it somewhere, and it has the little Hamza hand. And these are just such beautiful colors, and to be honest, this piece inspired me to kind of redecorate my entire bedroom and add color. So this is so pretty, and it looks like it's even hand painted, and it has these little kind of like cotton balls right here. It's so pretty. Look at it, it's so pretty. So I'm going to be decorating my bedroom this year, like kind of like a colorful, different vibe than right now, because I feel like right now it just looks bland, and these colors are just colors that I am attracted to. And this one was like $5.99, so super affordable. And I also got this sweater. It's like a basic gray sweater, and it's hooded, and it has these kind of like little strings. So you kind of cinch the hood just like that. And it's a very basic sweater for some like high-waisted jeans like the ones I already own. And this one was only 20 bucks. I had gone to Urban Outfitters, and they were pretty much the same ones, but they were like 45. I'm like, I'm not gonna pay 45 bucks. So when I saw this one, I was like, OMG, I need to get it. And that sweater I got at Charlotte Russe, and they had a pretty good deal with all their sweaters and their jackets. They were like 20 bucks pretty much. And the last thing, this isn't from Ross, but this is from Macy's, and it was on clearance, and these are so pretty. I had seen them maybe like 7 months before, but they were like 100 bucks, and I'm like, oh, I don't need them, but if I find something at a good price and it's super cute, I'll probably get it. So these are some Betsy Johnson heels, and just look at them. They're gorgeous. They're platform. They're super tall. The taller the heel, the closer to God, which is something that I tell people. They're like, oh no, that's too tall. And I'm like, that's not too tall. Especially when you have a platform, it's super easy to walk in. I have not used these, but I'm super excited to wear them. It has kind of like a velvet black. It has some stars, and then all these little, like, it has rhinestones, it has rocks, and they're very colorful, and these are amazing. Just look at these. These have a lot of personality. I like things that like are very bright, they stand out, they're different. So these shoes I had to get, and I ordered them because Macy's didn't have, what size are these anyway? These are, oh shoot, what size are they? They're 7.5. They had an 8 at the store, but the 8 was a little big for me. So when I went online, I was so glad they had the 7.5. And they were 40 bucks. So, oh my goodness, I can't wait to wear them. So that was the haul. I really love going to Ross, and I was also thinking about going to Marshall's. A lot of people recommend to me that I'll really love Marshalls. And I have gone to Marshalls, but I've never really spent enough time to really buy a lot of things. So perhaps I will go to Marshalls and maybe I'll do a Marshalls haul. Let me know down below if you guys want me to do that. And if you guys recommend Marshalls or perhaps any other stores as well. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on all my social media at Damav425 on my Instagram. I have Facebook as well. I'll have all of that down below. And as always, I hope you have an awesome day and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.